Hello, friends, and welcome once again. This is CA Rajiv Katlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. And yes, yesterday we had a good amount of volatility in the markets, and I'm sure you would have observed the levels of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the various stocks which I had mentioned. Many of the levels were almost precise, 99% precise, and I'm sure you would have gained from those price targets. Before we go ahead, friends, I hope you have registered for the Sunday stock analysis session. If not, then please do register. And we are going to have a fully loaded 2 hour session on Sunday, 10:30 a.m. And like always, we'll be discussing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and five stocks. And also, we will be discussing stocks from the stock ideas from participants. So we'll be asking you also if you have any specific stock to get analyzed. So register for the Sunday stock analysis session also. So let us start with the intraday levels for today. And today is 27th of November 2020. Right now it is around 9:35 a.m. And the trend deciding level for the Nifty is 12,996 as calculated. And we are right now just nearing that. It is, the market is hovering around this level. And on the upside, there would be some resistance at 13,073. And on the lower side, the first support we can say is at 12,933, below which we can expect 12,868. Now please note that this level of 12,868, or safely I would say 12,850, is a critical level as far as the positional trades are concerned. So today's closing below 850, that is 12,850, should be treated as a weakness in the next week. So, but we will be discussing more about this in our Sunday session. So do attend that Sunday session as to what is in store for the next week. Uh, Let us go to the Bank Nifty. Now, in case of Bank Nifty, the trend deciding level is 29,555. We are almost near that. We are just 10 points below that. And on the lower side, 29,286 is your initial level, and 29,068 is your second level. On the upside, there should be some resistance, in fact, strong resistance at the 29,893 level. So that is your profit booking level there. And if the market is able to sustain above that level, then you might see a rally nearer to 30,138. But there is a strong resistance as I was checking the other charts also, the daily and hourly charts also. So there is a strong resistance at 29,893. Reliance is the stock which we track on a normally on a daily basis, and yesterday also it moved in more or less in a range. Trend deciding level today is 1944. We are trading below that right now, and on the lower side you will target 1926. Uh, Friends, if the stock closes below 1925 safely, I would say that the selling pressure in the coming days will increase. On the upside, there will be strong resistance at yesterday's closing, which is at 1958. There is a second level on the upside, which is relatively unlikely, and that is 1976. But that is if at all the price breaks 1960. In that case, another 15-point rise can be expected in intraday. Well, HDFC Bank, yesterday I had analyzed this, and right now the trend deciding level is 1432. We are right now just below that level, and on the lower side 1408 is a good support. Below that 1391 is a second support. On the upside, in fact, you can have a rise nearer to 1452 and thereafter 1461. Please note that this area of 1452 and 1461 is a resistance zone. So if you are long in any case, even in positional, you may want to book profit at these levels. Well, let me take another stock today, Sun Pharma. It has been in some action for the last few days. The trend deciding level is 513, almost 512.80. We are right now quoting above that, and we should target initially 517, 517.65. That is the exact level. And the second level which you can target on the upside is 522.70. Now, please note that this stock, if the closing of today is nearer to 522, 523, it will be a good positive and for the next week. So, and on the lower side, if it breaks the level of 512, then we can expect some support at 507.5, but a very strong support at 503.5. So around 504 levels. Right now, the structure looks on the upside. So friends, these are the levels for the day. And I am sure you will like these levels. You will trade on the basis of these levels. And yes, just to remind you once again, do register for the Sunday stock analysis session. Thank you very much. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala signing off.